Hey guys, Danny here at Partay. So I wanted to put something out for a few different purposes, but primarily I'm going to respond to the ultimatum that I was given by Kenneth Bird in Black Series Edition. Scary stuff. Ooh, Mufasa, do it again. So look, Ken, your reputation is shot. Your lies have become extremely obvious. I know you're watching the videos. Folks know you're watching my videos because I show up in your history when you're looking up there. I also know that, and everyone else knows, that you're not willing to scroll down on those pages to show where the videos are. There's 3 to 4 videos for each one of those products, just down below the specifications. But it's not in your best interest to show that. Doesn't work in your narrative. Those lies are extremely obvious. Okay, let me ask you, where are your customer views? We've got things out there from Hector, but that's it. Okay, and this lady did not post anything out on YouTube, so it wouldn't have been found out there. It was sent an email to you. And I've stated numerous times that most of the people that I sell to are not people out here in the community. They are folks who come out to YouTube looking for a solution, a real solution. Just like many people who come out to YouTube to figure out how to fix a part on their car. That's why we added the page, which thank you, Silent, for putting that notice out. But that's why we added the page to our website to show customer experiences. And we've got more stuff we're going to be loading. I have to be careful. I've got a number of them that are emails that I can't add any information. If I start obfuscating information, then it looks all kind of tampered with. So I'm being selective about what I put out there. But more's coming, Ken. More's coming from real customers. Now, you've given me an ultimatum saying that if I don't meet it, you're going to sue me, but I should sue you first. What an ignorant statement. Why am I going to spend the money to sue you? You don't bother me, okay? You don't impede on my business. I do this for fun. Every once in a while, I like to come out here and just thump you on the nose because you're a joke. You don't scare me. There's no legal suit coming after me. There's no charges coming after me for fraud. There's none of that. It's a fairy tale, another fairy tale that will never come to fruition. And you're going to have to face up with this because do you really think you can sit out here forever and say that? And folks not finally just see that you're a complete and total fucking joke? That there's nothing that's ever going to occur and you made it all up? There's not one charge that exists out there right now. Not one. You say you never run from a challenge. Well, you've ran from the Face the King challenge for 2 years, and that's a pro challenge. That's a business challenge. That's not a I want to get revenge on you challenge. That's you having the confidence to put your product out there in the public. But you don't really have that confidence, do you, Ken? I would recommend you hit your activation rather than continue with your procrastination. That's what I would recommend. Ken, I could have fun with you for days. That's like that block of ice display that you keep talking about. Okay, when you saturate fabric, you can freeze it, fold it, roll it up, ball it up, hit it with a hammer. It doesn't matter. And then you can do that with regular everyday paint. Okay, do it on a piece of PVC. Roll that, fold it up, put it in the freezer, and let's see how that works, right? Because cloth, you can do it with anything. Anything. Let's face it, Ken, in the end, you are a broke, busted, pissed off little bum who's having to live with his sister now, who after 13 years of business has reached the bottom rather than the top. And all the customers that you thought you were going to have, they're all coming over to Partay now. That's right. That's right. Partay. Danny Rogers. Danny Rogers. King Partay. You guys take care.